Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this ombre ash blonde hair color, so just stay tuned. So starting off, I took my Wella bleaching powder and the Wella 40 volume developer, and this is where I kind of messed up because I used too much. Like, I used 3 scoops of this Wella powder and I thought it was like not thick, but that Wella powder is freaking thick. The bleaching powder is super thick, so it just, no. I should have used 1 scoop and then kept adding scoops as I needed more, but I was trying to be extra and I was trying to move fast, so if I needed more I would have it right there, but the bowl that I had was not that big to be trying to do 3 scoops. So now I'm adding my 40 volume developer, and I'm just whipping it up, and I whipped it up until I got the consistency I like, which is how this look. And I sectioned my hair off. I started at the nape of the hair because I just found like that would be easier than trying to start where the closure is. I did take my dimming brush to make sure all the tangles were out of the hair, and I did this on every piece that I bleached. I made sure the tangles were out. But I started at the ends of the hair because when you have 40 volume developer, well, just when you're bleaching period, it bleaches fast. Like it is processing fast. So I stopped about 2 inches from the roots of the hair because I did want a ombre look, and I just made sure I stopped there because if I didn't, I was going to bleach the whole hair. So this part I'm just brushing the bleach through to make sure that it's coated on all the hair strands, and then also this is going to help to give like that ombre like smooth look. And I applied more bleach after that, and I did this process on the whole wig, and now you can just see me covering it up with some more foil and just wrapping it up like a little burrito and making sure it's tucked away. So this is me checking it at 14 minutes. I did check the hair periodically and made sure it wasn't, you know, over processing, but I just covered it up because I wanted to bleach a little bit longer. And the first time I let it stay on there for about an hour, and this is how it looked after that hour, after me rinsing it off with some cool water. I didn't rinse it off with hot water because when it's bleaching, it is getting hot. Like, the hair is heating up because of the chemical process that's going on under the aluminum foil. Something like that. I'm really not good at the science, so yeah, I just know it gets heated up. So I wanted to rinse it off with cool water. So yeah, this was not how I wanted the hair to look, so I bleached it again. So this is the second day I was bleaching it. I was just brushing it through to make sure all the tangles were out, just like I did the first time, but this time I did a little bit differently. So instead of me stopping where I had the ombre color like going on, I went a little bit over where I bleached it the first time, and then I brushed it through with the dimming brush to make sure it was coated on all the hair strands. I just repeated this process on the whole wig, and yeah, it came out pretty good the second time, but I did go in a third time to bleach it. So this is how the hair looked after I bleached it the second time. I left it on there for about 45 minutes this time, and I'm just taking it off the aluminum and taking all the aluminum off the hair, and I rinsed it out with cool water, and this is how it looked. So it is starting to look more yellow, but I needed it to look a little bit lighter, so I just went in and bleached it again, but I didn't show you guys because I just felt like it was unnecessary because I was going to do the same thing that I did the first time. I'm not going to go above where I ombre it. I'm just going to stay where I want it to be lighter, which is towards the ends of the hair. So now I'm going to rinse out my hair. This is the third time I bleached it, so I'm rinsing it out. And this is the third and final time I'm rinsing out this hair with cool water and rinsing all the bleach out. And then I'm going to take my Shimmer Light shampoo and I'm going to shampoo my hair. I pretty much just put it on my hair and then just like kind of scrunch it up into where the bleached part of the hair was to make sure it got toned and all that brassiness and stuff was taken out, because we don't want our hair to be brassy. For ash blonde hair, we want it to be like a nice cool gray. So now I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks after I shampooed it. It kind of toned it, but of course I did buy the toner because I wanted to tone it some more. And I heard that when you tone hair, it softens the hair too. So that's what I did. But this is how it looked after me using the purple shampoo. So it's kind of optional. If you want to use a toner, you can. If you don't, then you don't. But it did look nice after I used the purple shampoo. Like the brassiness was like almost gone, but not totally gone. So now I'm taking the T14 and T18 toner. These are by Wella. And then I'm taking a Ion 20 volume developer. You can use any 20 volume developer, but I'm taking the T14 first, pouring it into the bowl, and I'm putting some developer into the container that the T14 came in, because you're supposed to use 2 parts developer and 1 part toner. And I just did the same I did the same thing to the other toner. But now you're just going to see me wisp it up, because you need it to be mixed very well in order for it to process. So I'm just detangling it with a wide tooth comb. Well, it's not really that wide tooth, but it's kind of wide tooth. And I'm taking the T14 toner and applying this to the bottom parts of the hair. And then I'm going to go in and take the T18 toner and put that towards the top of the hair and on the roots. But I'm making sure that I coat it well with that T14, because I don't want any strands to be left out. Some parts be brassy, some parts be, you know, ash blonde. Like that's weird. But yeah, now I'm just applying the T18 to the tops of the hair and on the root, because I don't know why I'm putting it on the root. I think it's just because I had it, so I just put it there. I don't know. I thought I was doing something by putting it on the root. I thought it was going to tone the roots or something. I don't know. Girl, I don't know. I will say me putting it on the roots did make the hair softer. So after this toned my hair was super, super soft. But yeah, and then I just combed it through, you guys know, to make sure that all the hair is coated and it has all the toner on every strand of hair. And then this was how it looked after me leaving the toner on for 30 minutes. So now I'm taking my Ion Repair Treatment Solution thingy majigger, and I'm going to repair my hair after those 3 days of just touching it and processing it and just doing everything to it. I'm just going to repair it, show it some love, and I'm just going to put it in a plastic bag and wrap it up. I left it in there for about 10 hours. I started at 12:30 and I left it on the hair for about 10 hours, because I left it on there till 10:35ish. So yeah, your girl showed mad love to this hair. But literally that is it. After I washed that conditioner out, I just let it sit for about 2 to 3 days, because I didn't want to put any heat on it, because it was, you know, processing for 3 days straight. So I just wanted it to rest, take a little time out, take a breather, and regroup itself so that when I styled it, it would be good. But that is all I did to my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Of course, if you did, like this video, comment down below what other colors you want me to do next, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed and a part of the Glow Gang. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts on Instagram and Snapchat at naturally.sunny. And you can also find the link to this hair in the description box below, as well as all the products I used on the hair in that description box as well. But yeah, I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.